Hi everyone! I'm getting asked quite often how the Dazzle Dry nail polish removes. So it removes super easy, but I will show you how I do it exactly and I will share some details with you. So this manicure is 3 weeks old and it's a bright red nail polish. So you would think it's going to be messy, right? It's not. So keep watching. So first I saturate these little pads in acetone, and I use pure acetone because I find that this gives me the cleanest removal. And I make sure that those little pads are wet, and I place them on each nail, putting some pressure when placing it, and this way the pad sticks to the polish just like that. If you are removing the polish yourself from your own nails, remove the polish from one hand completely and then move on to the other hand. Once I place the pads on 10 fingers, because I'm removing it from a client, I go back to the first nail and I put a little pressure on that nail, and I pull the cotton down, again with some pressure, and the polish just slides off. If the cotton is not too messy, I fold it over and wipe again with the clean side. After I remove the majority of the polish from one hand, I take a clean piece of cotton pad and I go over the nails again. And have you noticed how the nails are looking healthy and there is no yellow staining? Yep, that's a Dazzle Dry for you. I find this polish doesn't give you any staining whatsoever, no yellow staining, and the nails are always healthy looking underneath. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!